Hello, good evening friends. This is Hemant Nagrale, Commissioner of Police, Brun, Mumbai. Friends, as you know that we are strictly implementing the lockdown policies stated by the government, and now we are limiting the vehicle flow on the roads. As a result of that, at important check nakas and toll nakas, it has resulted into traffic jams, and in these traffic jams, doctors, nurses, medical staff and medical vehicles like ambulances and medical supply vehicles, they are also getting trapped into these traffic jams. So as a solution to this, we are starting with a policy of self-sticking stickers to be used by the doctors, medical staff and the essential supplies providing vehicles. These stickers will be of 3 colors. Red color will be only for doctors, medical staff, ambulances and the vehicles which are supplying the medical equipments, testing equipments and other facilities. The green color sticker will be for your consumable items of food like vegetables, fruits, grocery, dairy products, bakery products, etc. And the yellow color passes will be for all the essential emergency services like BMC officials, telephone department, then electricity department, press and all those services which are treated as essential services. Now all these vehicles which fall under red, green and yellow category, they themselves, the owners or the drivers, should fix up these stickers themselves. It is 6-inch round shape sticker which they should display on the front screen and the back screen of the vehicle. They can cut that red, green or yellow color sticker on their own. We are also providing, as per the availability, the self-sticking stickers at various nakabandi points, toll nakas, and we will give them free of charge to the citizens and the vehicles. These stickers will facilitate the easy movement of these essential services vehicles and transport modes faster on the roads, and it will be avoiding the huge traffic jams. A word of caution also, that if anybody tries to misuse these stickers and ply with these stickers on when they are not belonging to any of these essential services, they will be prosecuted under case of cheating and other legal provisions. So be cautious. We want the citizens to be responsible and we are giving you the discretion. So please examine whether you fall into any of this red, green and yellow category, and please fix the sticker on your vehicle and then come out on the road. We will start implementing this from today evening itself, and we hope the citizens will obey as per this and follow this. Thank you.